I'm going to show you how to create a lead magnet that people actually want. All right, let's go. So let's talk lead magnet. This is where people fall apart. They make content, maybe they get views, maybe they even get a little engagement, and then nothing. Why? Because they never gave the viewers a useful next step. A good lead magnet solves that. A lead magnet is just something valuable enough that the person is willing to exchange their contact information for. That's it. Not some scam, a trick, junk, or bait. Just something useful packaged very well. And in real estate and mortgage, there are a ton of strong options, like relocation guide, first-time homebuyer checklist, new construction comparison guide, home buying closing cost, down payment assistance guide, seller prep checklist, moving timeline, monthly payment planning worksheet, neighborhood comparison guide, and many others. The key is this: your lead magnet has to match the content and the audience. If you're making relocation content, your lead magnet should probably be relocation guide, moving checklist, or area comparison resources. And if you're making first-time homebuyer content, your lead magnet should help them understand readiness, costs, loan options, or next steps. Alignment matters. Now here's where AI becomes incredibly useful. Instead of spending hours trying to outline the guide, write the section, build the slides, and make it all look polished, AI can do most of the heavy lifting. It can help you choose the guide topic, outline the sections, write the content, organize the flow, answer the right questions, and create a strong CTA. That's a call to action, remember? Then you use a design tool to turn it into something clean and professional. Now, very important, valuable doesn't mean it needs to be bloated. People don't want a giant 40-page PDF unless it's insanely helpful. Usually, clean and practical wins. They want clarity, local relevance, real next steps, simple language, and helpful structures, not a bunch of fillers. So if I'm building one, I want the flow to look something like this. Cover page, what this helps with, market or local insight, common mistakes, areas and neighborhood highlights, cost or payment realities, a checklist section, and a why work with me section, and a clear CTA. That's enough to create real value. Another strong move is using your lead magnet as a bridge. Don't just drop the PDF and disappear. Use it to start a conversation. Grab the guide. Tell me where you're moving from. Reply if you want to narrow down your neighborhoods. Book a call if you want to break down based on your budget. That's how you turn the guide into conversation starters. Also, don't overcomplicate the delivery. It can be sent through a landing page, your CRM, email automation. You can drop it in their DM or a form directly on your site. Just make sure the process is smooth. If someone wants the guide and your delivery process feels like filing your taxes with a blindfold on, they're gone. Value first, low friction. That's the move. The point is not just to get their email. The point is to earn enough trust that the person wants to hear more from you. That's the difference between junk and warm conversations. Now, in the next episode, I'm going to show you how to use AI to build presentations and guides way faster, because it's where people waste a ridiculous amount of time. And remember, if you're getting anything out of this content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new videos. And I'm Mark Jones, and that was The Mortgage Truth.